Hey everyone, how are you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. This is going to be a very quick opening of my Allure beauty box for July. I think the Allure beauty boxes are sent out sometime around the third week, or at least that's when I normally get my box. So this is the third week of July. I just got mine in the mail. I've already ruffled through it, but I will show you what I got. Now, I was really pleased with this month's box. The past two boxes I was not so happy with. They had a lot of drugstore products in them, and I'm not a big fan of drugstore makeup or skincare, so there were some things in there that really just didn't interest me, but this box had so many good things in it. I was really pleased. If you're not familiar with the Allure beauty box, I'm not even sure what this runs. This was given to me as a gift from my older son for my 60th birthday that I had this year in January. So I get this every month for the entire year. They wrap it usually really nicely. I've already dug into this box, so the wrapping is not as pretty as it was when I first got it. I can at least tell you a little bit about some of the products I got in here. Everything I'm really excited about. The first thing is from this company. Not familiar with this company. It's called Peach and Lily. And this is a glass skin refining serum. It's supposed to give you luminous, translucent skin. It's made with peach extract and peptide complex. It's supposed to give you poreless, porcelain, luminous skin. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to test this out for a little while, let you know how I like it. It comes in a dropper form. Oh, it's not a dropper. It's a pump. So I guess you just pump this out. It's clear, and then you put it on clean, dry skin. There's no scent to it. So I'll have to test this out. Like I said, you put this on clean, dry skin. It's supposed to make your skin look very glassy and poreless. Love the concept of this and very excited to test that out. The next item in here is something I will definitely use also. I love Dr. Jart. This is their Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50, UVA, UVB protection, and water resistant. Comes out like a mineral sunscreen. Let me put the cap on that because it's just pouring out. I will use that and let you know how I like it. I'm sure it's going to give a white cast, but I really don't care. I wear a mask now. My face is covered up most of the time anyway. Doesn't matter, so who cares? There is a little bit of a scent to that. It's one thing I'm not quite sure about. Right now, what I use on my skin is Aveeno Baby or Aveeno Positively Mineral. I love this stuff. I can bike with it and it doesn't drip into my eyes at all and bother my contacts. I'll see how I like that. It's something nice to try anyway. The next thing in here is something I already am wearing. It's this Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. I destroyed the package on this. And this is from Butaneek Beauty. This was really, really nice. If you like kind of balmy products, and I really do love balmy products, I think they make especially older, drier, mature skin look beautiful. This is what this looks like. It's so pretty. You can use this on your cheeks and you can use it as a lip balm, which is really cool. But I think this is a beautiful color. It almost looks like you were just out in the sun. It makes your cheeks look so juicy and gorgeous. I love this. This color is Peach Blush. This was a winner. I've been using this the past couple days since I got this box and just love it. The other thing in here was from a company I think I've seen before, but I've never purchased anything from. Osya, I think that's how you say that, O-S-E-A. This is a non-toxic, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free product that's made in California. It's an ocean cleanser, mineralize and balance the skin, safe skincare, bioavailable formulas rich in earth and ocean essences, deliver powerful skin solutions, run by our family since 1996. For normal, dry, or combo skin, organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize the skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. All you do is massage onto damp skin, rinse with warm water. It removes makeup, use morning and night. I am a cleanser junkie. I am very excited to test out this cleanser. I'm sure it's going to be a little expensive probably, but I'm very interested in testing out this cleanser. And then the last two items, one I'm going to give to my son and one I'm going to use myself. They always seem to put masks in these Allure boxes, which is great. And this is the Lapcos, I'm not familiar with that company, Daily Skin Mask Charcoal pore clearing mask. It is supposed to detoxify and tighten your pores. I will maybe do a mask day with this mask. I have so many masks I need to get through. I probably need to kind of film myself masking every day and then put the compilation of everything together into one video, and that way you can kind of see which masks I liked and which ones I didn't like. This is one of the masks that was in the box, and then the last product in the box I'm going to give to my older son. It's one of those acne cover patches. It's supposed to cover blemishes invisibly. It has ingredients in it that I think are supposed to minimize impurities and help take impurities away from a blemish that you may have on your skin, but also hide the blemish too. So I'm going to save that for my older son because sometimes he has breakouts once in a while. I don't ever get any breakouts. That's it for my July Allure beauty box. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.